Hey, it's Brian from Cruising with the Colemans. And if you follow our social media, you know that a few months ago, Michelle had some thumb problems because of the Andersen Leveler and, well, let's just say some bad decisions. So we have fixed the problem with our Andersen Levelers by adding this pull cord that's going to help keep hands out from the tire area. What ended up happening was that her thumb, basically, as she was trying to pull this out when we were pulling out, got caught between the leveler and the tire. But now we're hands-free in that area just by adding this rope. Here we're going to show you how we did it. After drilling the hole all the way through, there's only about 3/8 of an inch of plastic right here in the middle, and this hole was already there. So I really just had to drill out about that much in the middle. And now I'm gonna feed my piece of paracord through, kind of twist it as I go because it wants to bunch up. Then we're gonna turn the other end, tie it off, and we should be ready to pull these out with no injuries.
And now you're gonna go backwards. Slow, slow. All right, we're good. Stop. All right. Oh, you're gonna have to go back a little bit more. Stop. Back a little bit more. There we go. And we're done. We did it. Yes, no injury.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out all of our helpful tips and hacks that we have on our YouTube channel, and we will see you taking an adventure out on the road.